Generative AI is a revolutionary technology that can create new content, including text, images, audio, video, and even computer code. Unlike traditional AI, which mainly analyzes or classifies data, generative AI produces original material based on patterns it has learned from vast datasets. This means it can write stories, generate artwork, compose music, or even help with programming tasks. The rise of generative AI is transforming industries and everyday life, making creative and technical tasks more accessible to everyone. In the following scenes, we'll explore popular generative AI models and their unique strengths. Its core generative AI learns from massive amounts of data, books, images, code, and more. It identifies patterns and structures, then uses this knowledge to generate new content that resembles what it has seen before. For example, when you ask a generative AI to write a poem or answer a question, it predicts what words or sentences should come next based on its training. This process allows it to create surprisingly human-like responses, images, or even music. The technology behind generative AI is advancing rapidly, making its outputs more creative and useful. ChatGPT is one of the most well-known generative AI models developed by OpenAI. It excels at generating text, making it a helpful tool for writing, coding, tutoring, and brainstorming ideas. ChatGPT can answer questions, draft emails, write stories, and even help debug code. Its conversational abilities make it feel like you're chatting with a knowledgeable assistant. Whether you're a student, professional, or hobbyist, ChatGPT offers support for a wide range of tasks, making complex work simpler and more efficient. Imagine you need to write an essay, solve a tricky coding problem, or come up with creative ideas for a project. ChatGPT can assist with all of these tasks. By simply typing your request, you receive detailed responses, suggestions, or solutions in seconds. Its ability to understand context and provide relevant information makes it a valuable companion for students, writers, and professionals. ChatGPT's versatility is one reason it has become so popular in education and business environments. Gemini is Google's advanced multimodal AI, designed to handle not just text, but also images, audio, and video. Integrated deeply with Google services, Gemini can help you search, organize information, and even create multimedia content. Its multimodal capabilities mean it can understand and generate content across different formats, making it a powerful tool for both personal and professional use. Gemini is especially useful for those who rely on Google's ecosystem for productivity and creativity. What sets Gemini apart is its ability to process and generate multiple types of content. For example, you can ask Gemini to analyze a photo, summarize a video, or generate a report that includes both text and images. This flexibility makes it ideal for creative projects, research, and communication. By bridging different media types, Gemini opens up new possibilities for how we interact with information and technology. Claude is Anthropic's generative AI assistant, designed with a strong focus on reasoning and safety. It excels at understanding complex questions, providing thoughtful answers, and ensuring that its responses are safe and reliable. Claude is particularly useful in situations where careful reasoning and ethical considerations are important, such as research, education, and business decision-making. Its emphasis on safety sets it apart from other AI models. Claude stands out for its commitment to safe and ethical AI. It is designed to minimize harmful outputs and avoid spreading misinformation. This makes it a trusted assistant for sensitive tasks such as academic research or business strategy. Claude's advanced reasoning abilities help users tackle complex problems with confidence, knowing that the AI prioritizes both accuracy and safety in its responses. Generative AI is making a big impact in education. Students and teachers use tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude to get instant help with assignments, explanations of complex topics, and creative project ideas. These AI models can personalize learning, adapt to individual needs, and provide feedback in real time. As a result, education is becoming more engaging and accessible, helping learners of all ages succeed. The business world, generative AI streamlines workflows, automates content creation, and boosts productivity. Companies use these tools to write reports, generate marketing materials, and analyze customer feedback. AI can also help brainstorm new product ideas or improve communication within teams. By handling routine tasks, generative AI allows professionals to focus on strategy and innovation, giving businesses a competitive edge. Generative AI is a powerful ally for programmers and researchers. It can write and debug code, suggest solutions to technical problems, and even generate documentation. In research, AI helps analyze data, summarize findings, and explore new ideas. These capabilities speed up the development process and make advanced technology accessible to more people, from students to professionals. Artists, writers, and musicians are embracing generative AI to spark creativity and produce new works. AI can generate artwork, compose music, or help write scripts and stories. This collaboration between humans and machines is leading to innovative projects and expanding the boundaries of what's possible in creative fields. Generative AI is not just a tool but a creative partner. Despite its benefits, generative AI faces challenges. One major issue is bias. AI can reflect or amplify biases present in its training data. Another problem is hallucination, where the AI generates information that sounds plausible but is actually incorrect. Developers are working to address these issues, but users should remain aware and verify AI-generated content, especially for important decisions. Privacy and copyright are important concerns with generative AI. Since these models learn from large datasets, there's a risk of using private or copyrighted material without permission. Ensuring data privacy and respecting intellectual property rights are ongoing challenges. Responsible use and clear guidelines are essential for building trust in AI systems. Looking ahead, generative AI is set to become even more powerful and versatile. We can expect smarter AI agents, advanced robotics, and systems that seamlessly combine text, images, and audio. Personalized assistants will become more common, helping with daily tasks and decision-making. As the technology evolves, it will continue to shape how we learn, work, and create, opening up exciting new possibilities for everyone.